Alright, so guys, I've got this old Apple Watch case, and I've got a sledgehammer. Let's see what happens. Ready? Alright, so sledgehammer. Let's see what 3 very bad hits did. It's like a bunch of scuffing here. I think that's either rust or dirt. There's one here. Ooh, got something off. And it's from the top. And I think I cracked the rest. I'm gonna break the thing. And what do? We flatten the dang thing out. And, well, alright, now, I know there's only one piece that's actually chipped off. So, alright. So, maybe get better with my right arm. Ew, yep, much. Alright, so we got a hole. We got a bloody hole. I think that's all I can do. So 2 pieces. Alright. Signing it up. JWR.